If you want to go circular, you need to keep the economy on board. I'm Marco Mensink, I'm Director General of Cefic, the European Trade Federation for the Chemical Industry. We're in Firenze for our General Assembly. Most of the colleagues from around the world are here as well for a whole set of meetings on the future of the chemical industry. Theme this week, circular economy. There's two elements to that. One is that we think there's quite a lot of business opportunities when the economy goes circular. Lightweighting cars, refurbishing houses, new materials. Secondly, we also believe it's not going to be simple. If you lightweight cars, you might need more complex materials, which means they might be harder to recycle. So circular is not only about recycling, it's about a real circular economy, circling molecules, and how that can be done in the future. What we did today in the conference is highlight a number of showcases, because that's where it starts, and you get people enthusiastic when you have really nice examples. One of them was the Covestro project on CO2 use in mattresses, which we found really exciting. We have studied it before and put it on stage now, because it combines the Paris Accord with the Sustainable Development Goals. Can we use CO2 to do something else than heat up the planet? And in this case, it's a key example where circular meets climate policy and where it meets the policy agenda of Cefic. Right now, we're discussing the emission trading system, and CCU, carbon capture and use, is taking over from CCS, carbon capture and storage. If you want to go circular, you need to keep the economy on board. It needs to pay off. There needs to be a revenue at the end of the circularity. The thinking still of policymakers in the terms of subsidies or incentives. What Cefic would stress is that we need market-based solutions which actually deliver a profit. Nothing wrong with that. And that's also where we see the Covestro project going into something tangible. It's there, it's feasible. I love entrepreneurs next to big companies, and there were a few on stage. If you're a coffee company or a big chemical company, it's all about the mindset, which means we can learn from these guys.